right, when you fold your gown, there's many aspects to it. So you're going to start in the front of your gown, lay it flat. You're going to take your short tab and your long tie, which should be the one that's right on the outside of your back flap. Make sure they both come to the front of your gown. You're going to tuck them inside your card. No special way, just make sure they stick in there. Okay. Then you're going to fold your gown halfway over so you can see the back. Find your crease from the armpit straight down. Make sure that's nice and smooth. Then you're going to fold half of that flap back. There's another tie here. Don't worry about that. It'll secure itself. Now, making sure that that flap stays there, you're going to flip it back over. And then you can secure your arm at this time. Come to the other side. You're going to do the same thing. Flip it halfway. Find your crease from the armpit, straight down. Fold that flap over. Okay. Now you're going to flip that half back over. Fold your arms. It doesn't matter how the arms are folded. You just want to make sure they're folded. Then you're going to come to the bottom of your gown, making sure to grab all of your, all of your gown, and you're going to follow the crease of your gown. So mine's telling me I'm going to fold under, fold under, fold over, over, and straighten out your sides if you have to. My last one's under. And then your last one should always be up and over those arms. And just smooth everything out so it's nice and neat. Then you're going to take from your neckline right here, here's your neck, so from the side to the edge, you're going to fold that in half. Do the same thing on this side, so from the edge of your neckline to your shoulder, fold that in half. And then you're going to fold the whole thing in half. And you have your folded gown.